friends, welcome to our channel Aptitude. In this video, I will be discussing about the trick to write the tables of numbers ending with 9. This trick is very simple trick. It can be very much useful for all your logical examinations, aptitude examinations, in your life, in your work. And so, let's start. Let's start with the basic example of the table of 9. So, we can write 9 is equals to 10 minus 1. This one is the tens digit one which we will be using in our trick. So in the step 1 we have to write from 9 to 0 in a descending order. So just write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Next, in the next step, what we have to do, we have to just add this one in our tens digit values. So here for example it is 09, the table is of the 9, that's the reason we have to write 09 here. Now add 1 in this. So what is that? It is 1. Then add 1 into this number. So what is that? 2. Add 1 again into this, it will be 3. The same way you have to just keep on adding. So you will find 4, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8 and plus 1, 9. So this is the trick. Now let's take with another example. Example of, let's say, 39. So what is 39? 39 is 40 minus 1. So this 4 we will be using in our trick. So in the step 1 what we have to do? Again from 9 to 0 as a descending order. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is our unit place digits done. Now we have to go for the tens place digits and others. So since this table is of 39, we have to write first 3 here. Now just we have to add 4 into 3 and continuously doing that. Now 4 plus, so it is 7. Again 4 plus, it is 11. Again 4 plus, it is 15. Again 4 plus, it is 19. Again 4 plus, it is 23. 4 plus 27. Again 4 plus 31. 4 plus, it is 35. And 4 plus, it is 39. See, it's a very simple trick. If you practice it, you can actually write any digit number, any table of the numbers ending with 9 in just 10 seconds, 15 seconds, that's it, and you will be solved. It will be very much useful. So let's take another example of 89. 89 is equals to what? 90 minus 1. So again our first step, 9 to 0 as a descending order we have to write as a unit place. So it is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. In the tens place, now the numbers which are preceding to unit place, what we will be writing, since the table is of 89, we have to write 8 here. Now then we have to keep on adding 9 into this. So 8 plus 9, it is 17. Plus 9, it will be 26. Plus 9, it will be 35. Plus 9, it will be 44. Plus 9, it will be 53. Plus 9, it will be 62. Plus 9, it will be 71. 9 plus, again it is 80. And again 9 plus, it will be 89. So see, what's the table of 89? It's a small trick, basic, done. Hope you like this video about this trick. This trick is simple trick, just you have to practice. Once you have practiced through it, I am sure your time constraint will be your time to make these tables will be very easy, and you will be able to solve mathematics on tips. So friends, please do like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you.